There is a famous story about the Buddha, the story of Kisa Gotami. Once there was a woman named Kisa Gotami whose son had died. She was so sad that she roamed through the street of the city carrying the child with her, asking for help to bring him back to life. A kind man took her to the Buddha. The Buddha said, "Bring me a handful of mustard seeds and I will bring your child back to life." Kisa Gotami was overjoyed and start off at once, but the Buddha gently stopped her and added, "The seed must come from the house of a family where nobody has died." Kisa Gotami went from door to door, but whenever she went, she found out that someone or others, father, mother, sister, brother, husband, wife, child, uncle, and grandfather, grandmother had died. So, what was the Buddha trying to teach the sorrowing mother? Thank you.